Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to hide the Windows taskbar using a shortcut key. So in Windows 10, you probably remember you could kind of hover your mouse over the taskbar, get the little double line there and drag it down to hide it. Or of course you could go to your Windows settings and have automatically hide the taskbar, which will do that until you hover over it. But you might not want it to automatically hide itself constantly every time you move the mouse down there. You might just want to do it, as needed. So to do that, there's a free app here called Hide Taskbar. It's just an executable you download. It needs to be a zip file, just extract it and you just have the executable here. It's been around for a long time, but I figured you guys might want to check it out, see if you find it handy. So once you have it, just double click it. It's not going to do anything, but you'll see it down here in your system tray. And then once you have it running, all you have to do is press Ctrl Escape on your keyboard, hide the taskbar. Even if you put the mouse down there, it's not going to bring it back. And then just Ctrl Escape again to bring it back, just like that. And then if you don't want it running, you could just exit it from here, like so. Now it's not running. And if you want to have it in your startup, you open up Windows Explorer, type in shell : startup, all one word like that. Then you could just make a shortcut to it in this folder here, and then it'll start with your computer, and then you'll just be able to use it as needed. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download it, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.